My name's Stephanie Gonzalez and I'm a welding student at Vancouver Island University. I feel like everyone should try welding. It's fun, but also there's a lot of different things you can do with it. If you're into art, there's always mediums with that, or if you like working outside, there's also that route too. I feel like a lot of the things that I've learned this year I can definitely put into the work I want to get into.
My name is Michael Hill and I'm in the Welder Level B program at VIU. There's nothing cooler than building something and then everyone gets to see it. Oh, I love this program. I love everything about it. I mean, good instructors, lots of help. There's no shortage of materials. The instruction here is great. They're all extremely knowledgeable. One of them will teach you the way that you learn. This is the trade to be in right now.